We're going to take a look at how to find the area of a region when you're dealing with inscribed figures. So inscribed means that there's a figure inside of another one, and you're trying to figure out the area, part of the area, but not the total area. So this problem says a rectangle is placed around a semicircle. The length of the rectangle is 16 yards. Find the area of the shaded region. And I apologize for my pretty awful picture, but we've got the rectangle in blue here and the semicircle inside it in red, and we're trying to find the area of the shaded blue region. So the way that we're going to do that is the area of the whole thing is going to be the area of the rectangle minus the area of the semicircle. So we can figure all of this out just from this one piece of information that it's 16 yards. The length is 16 yards. So first let's find out what the area of our rectangle is. Actually, let's find out what the area of our semicircle is first. So the area of a circle is normally pi r squared, right? But we're dealing with half of a circle, so we want to divide that by 2. So pi is pi. The radius here, this 16 yards, while it's the length of the rectangle, it's also the diameter of the circle, which means that the radius is half of that. So our radius is 8 over 2. So we've got, 8 squared is 64, so we have 64 pi over 2, which means that the area of our circle is 32 pi. And now finding the area of the rectangle, we know that area equals the length times width. So we're told that the length is 16, and the width we're not given here, but since we have this circle on the inside, we know that the width has to be the same as the radius here, and we already figured out that the radius is 8. So this is 128. And now to figure this out, I'm going to go ahead and use I'm going to use 3.14 for pi. It's not exact, and if you can get away with leaving pi in your answer, I would, but in this case, it'll help to have an actual number. So 32 times 3.14 is 100.48. So 128 minus 100.48 is 27.52 square yards.